Hey, look here, man. Whack 20, whack 30, whack 50, whatever your name is, whack 100. Listen, bro. Who the fuck made you the big bad wolf of the West, bro? Listen, man. You doing some fuck nigga shit right now. You know what I'm saying? I don't know you, bro, and I don't want to know you. I know you probably used to bang and all that. You got a couple of hitters and all that. You got your little respect in the street. But if a nigga real around you, they should tell you, man, shut the fuck up, bro. The man passed away, bro. The man not here no more, bro. The way you sound, it sounds like you always had it out for him, bro. You a fucking old ass hater, bro. You know what I'm saying? Your time is up, man. It don't matter what you used to do. Anybody could send out a hit. Whack. Anybody, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just like you could get a nigga, they could get you. You know what I'm saying? You trying to beef over a man who did a lot of work, never wanted publicity, bro. You know what I'm saying? The world never gave him his credit because he didn't do it in front of their face. He just did it behind closed doors, bro, for his community. You know what I'm saying? They gave him his props. So who the fuck are you to hate on him, bro? Who the fuck are you to hate on him, man? You know what I'm saying? You can't hate on somebody who passed away. Is that bad, bro? You know what I'm saying? The bottom line is this, man. T.I. don't got time for your shit. The game don't got time for your shit. I do. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no rap nigga, blah, blah, blah. I saw your little video, your little post. My nigga, listen, bro, I'm in LA all the time, bro. I don't give a fuck about who you are, what you did, none of that. And if anybody know you, they should tell you, bro. That's disrespectful like a motherfucker, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't see you going after Elvis. That's a legend to the people. He used to be with 13, 14-year-old girl. Why don't you go after them? The other race. Why you got to go after your own race, bro, after they left this earth, man? Let the man rest in peace, nigga. The fuck wrong with you, bro? You know what I'm saying? What the hell wrong with you, bro? I'm looking at you. I'm telling you, dog. Stop that fuck shit, nigga. I've seen you, some of your shit. All you do is bully niggas and talk shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's time that a bitch put a stop to that, my nigga. Shut the fuck up. Whack ass, nigga. You got the perfect fucking name, nigga. Nipsey Hussle is a fucking legend, nigga. No matter what. He what you'll never be. No matter how many stars you hang around, no matter how many stars you used to know, no matter all that shit, nigga. Cause your fame and all that shit, little shit you got, came off artists, off niggas who really made it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you probably put your little work in the streets. But at the end of the day, niggas that put work in the streets don't act like that, dog. They don't go after their own kind. All you ever do is hate, bro. That's all you do is go after niggas, bro, and niggas let you talk. That shit, hey, bro, no more of that shit, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. I'm saying it, nigga. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Do what you gonna do, nigga. Let's make it real beef if we gonna have beef, nigga. Fuck that internet shit, nigga. I'll come where you at. You can't come to Miami, nigga. To Florida with Blueface, whatever the fuck going on, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nipsey Hussle ain't here to defend himself, bro. He passed away, bro. Respect the man, nigga. That's all I gotta say, nigga. And I'm telling you, dog. You know what I'm saying? They might not have the time. You ain't no rap nigga. We know you ain't no fucking rap nigga, nigga. I'm a rap nigga and I'm a street nigga. What's up, nigga? Fuck you, nigga. He a fucking legend. Your opinion don't fucking count. Cause you ain't no fucking body, nigga. Fuck, nigga.